take a drawing sheet and mark it as a square size as per the drawing sheet. You can take the square size shape and find out the central point by joining to the two diagonals, and as per the geographical north and south pole, find out generally the left front side north, back is the south, then right the east, then is the west side, left is the west side. The geographical, all the direction we have shown in the drawing sheet: north side, south, east and west. At the same as we, the central point taken by, keep exactly central point, pour water 3/4 of the pile, otherwise you can take the full also, it has no problem. Take the water, leave some time, that means hardly 1 to 2 minutes. The water should be in the sealed position, and this is the bar magnet, and every bar magnet has a white spot in one end, that is the north pole, other is the south pole. And what I have done, I have marked in the north pole with marker and south pole, clearly you have can see. Then we have to find out the direction of the geographical direction, and by using the bar magnet, that is called this instrument, you can set the compass, and how to do without taking the real compass. Take a flat cork, what you can say it is, so that you can use. Just I took it, and first find out what is the length of the bar magnet, which one you are taking, that length, measure the length. So now it is coming exactly to 5 centimeter. Then your flat cork should be the 5 by 5, otherwise you cannot place it properly. Then find out the exact middle point, imaginary middle point, keep as you wish the bar magnet, and slowly you should make it, and it can float on the water surface slowly. And now see, it is floating. It is the north pole, south pole, and see the north pole of the bar magnet towards the north pole, south pole. Then you can see when you are floating the north pole and south pole bar magnet, exactly same direction you kept. No, I will tilt it. You can close it. See, I will tilt it. Now, see, now we will go for the working model. Now the bar magnet placed on a cork, and that is called the flat cork. What is the length of the bar magnet? Same as the length and breadth, we have to cut the flat cork, and the middle of the flat cork you have placed it, and entire process you have to keep the flat cork, you have to place on water. Now see, I'll change the direction. I'll make to move. What is going on at last, you can check it. Same north pole to south pole, it is moving. 1 second, I'll make it, see, same as it is. When I'm making to the force, I'm exerting the external force to move the north pole towards the west direction. See, I am giving the force that you can set the outside force. The north pole moves toward the west direction. Still, it is moving towards the same as the north and south pole. See, now you can see the central position when once it will be still the water. So up to that time, you can use one pencil, otherwise one stick. Make it the slowly the center point of the vial where it can locate and use. Now it is placed at center position. Now I'll apply the force to the south pole. What is going on? See. The center, that means bar magnet north pole towards the north pole of a geographical north pole of the earth, and south pole should be the geographical south pole of the earth. And exactly we can't get, because we know the earth has the two pole, north pole and south pole, because of the axis of the earth, but we are getting two pole as per the magnetic effect, that is also north pole, south pole, but the pole to magnetic pole to north pole to south pole, the pole to magnetic pole, the difference is the 10-degree difference. 10-degree difference. That's why it cannot exactly show the north to north. It will show sometimes, it will show just 10-degree difference. Now again I am tilting it, changing the direction. See, you can observe same, the bar magnet is showing the north pole to south pole direction. Now I will make it the north pole towards the south pole. What is going on? See, make it the close contact, please. See, now this north pole I will bring to the south pole. What is the observation? Suddenly, so it is moving, because same pole it will be reflect to each other. Now north pole towards the north and south. But you can see, so north pole to north pole, south pole to south pole. Why it is not repaired? No, exactly it is the north pole is the magnetic field, and here bar magnet north. When the bar magnet is holding the north pole in the bar magnet, in the magnetic field, electromagnetic field of the earth, actually it is the south pole, because the different pole are attracting. Actually you are imagining taking the north pole, actually it is the south pole, and it is the north pole, it can attract. Same as it. So again I am telling, because bar magnet north pole, here north pole, how question will come, the north pole to north pole, it can repel. No, actually if you go through the deeply, the north pole what you are showing the north pole, but imaginary it is the south pole, is the imaginary or electromagnetic field of the earth, it is reflecting the south pole, and it is the north pole electromagnetic, because of the electromagnetic effect, and it will attract the different pole to attract each other. That's why it is showing. Now you can see somewhat bend is there, because actual axis, that is you can say the north pole, south pole and magnetic field pole are somewhat different, that is 10-degree difference. Yearly once it will be maximum 1 kilometer difference. Yearly once it is the 1 kilometer difference. Then how the electromagnetic is formed? Because in the earth layer, the outer layer of the earth is a full field of the iron particles. When the liquid irons are started flowing and creating the current, flow of current, then electromagnetic sources are created, and this is known as the magnetic field of lines. Always the magnetic field of lines is started from the southern sphere to the northern, southern hemisphere to the northern hemisphere. So this is once again I am showing. See the direction, even though we are changing, it is showing the north pole to north pole of bar magnet, is it indicating the north pole of geographical earth, north pole, and south pole of the bar magnet is indicating the south pole of the geographical south pole of the earth. Thank you. This is the how to make a compass by taking bar magnet, drawing board or drawing sheet, and one scale, marker, and you can set this cork which you are using, and you can get easily from any shop. Thank you so much.